For video 4, ladies and gentlemen, what we're going to do, I'm going to give you some problems and I'm just going to ask you to solve them, and then I want you to name the property that you are utilizing to solve these. So again, I will just put the instructions and then we'll give you your first problem. Now that we have the instructions down, I'm just going to give you there are 1, 2, 3 problems that I want you to do. The first one, so again, I will actually there's 4 problems, I apologize. I will give you all 4 problems, and then why don't you pause the video, solve the problems, and then check and see how you did by restarting the video and checking your work. Alright, the first problem is 968 and 73 hundredths plus 532 and 15 hundredths is equal to 532 and 15 hundredths plus n. And your job is to figure out what n equals. And then tell me what property did you use. All right, our next problem is solve for this one. 749 plus 600 plus 400 is equal to what? So that's your solution, and then what property? Problem number next is 3.20 plus 2.80 plus 1.37 is equal to what? And then what is the property? And then finally, this is going to be a little bit more complex here. What we're asking you to do is find the area of these, find the combined area of these two rectangles. And the rectangles are A and B. Okay. And they are 10 centimeters by 199 centimeters, and this is 10 centimeters and 101 centimeters. So we're looking for the combined area, so the area of this one plus the area of this one. So what is the area, and then what property did you use? So pause the video, take some time, work through our 4 problems, solve them, and then let's put another line here, solve them, and then write down which property you used. Alright, good luck. When you're done, restart the video and see the solutions. Hopefully, ladies and gentlemen, you've taken some time to work through the problems, and now you have responses both for the answer and then what property you use to solve the problem. Our first one that we're going to look at, we have 968 and 73 hundredths plus 532 and 15 hundredths is equal to 532 and 15 hundredths plus n. So our question is, what is n? Now hopefully, ladies and gentlemen, you know that, well, this is the same as this. This number here is the same as this one. So what's missing, n, is 968 and 73 hundredths. And the property that we use to solve that is the commutative. The commutative property. All right. Next problem here, 749 plus 600 plus 400, what is that going to be equal to? Now, if I wanted to, ladies and gentlemen, I could just add straight across. But being we have a property, I can combine these two first and get 1,000, and then add 749. And by doing that, I'm going to get 1,749. And the property that I used there is the associative property. Okay. All right. Looking at our next one, we have 3.2 plus 2.8 plus 1.37. Now, I could add them all across. Just keep going here. And that's essentially what I'm going to do. But now, what happens is, because this tells us to do this first, but again, I can move these around because it is addition, and I can put these together. And 320 plus 280, 20 plus 80 is going to give me 1 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, and 37 hundredths. And then I use the associative property. And our final one, we're going to combine the areas of these two rectangles. Now I can take time and kind of go like this, and I could determine, because remember, area equals length times width. And I could go through and I could figure out, and if I wanted to, it would be somewhat easy for me because I'm just multiplying by 10, but there's gotta be an easy way. And the easier way is by using the distributive property. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, and pardon me because I'm going to do the work over here, I'm going to factor out the 10 first. So I'm going to go 10 times, and then I'm going to add these together. 199 plus 101 times 10. Now, as I move that's going to give me, okay, 10. Again, let's pretend that this isn't there. It's going to be 10. Oops, I need my writing instrument. It's going to be 10 times 300, and then it's going to be 3,000. And so the area, remember, it's going to be area is square 3,000 square centimeters. All right. Now, hopefully, ladies and gentlemen, you did a good job on these, and you were able to get, 1, 2, 3, 4 of them right. Hopefully, you understood which of the properties we're using. Now, ladies and gentlemen, do we have to use these properties? No, we don't. But the one thing that these properties do add, they help us, they help it so our math and our work is quicker. And we can do a lot more mental math with these. All right, go talk to Mr. Winkleman. He has a lovely gift for you.